So we've just finished a session with Stephen today. We had a motivational speech, first of all, in the lecture theatre, where students were listening to your life story. Really interesting and fun for them, all about overcoming adversity. And then we've just had a more interactive session with some workbooks working through about how to get over any difficulties that you've got.
Interview prep.
Yeah, any adversity that you feel that is facing you, whether that's real or whether that's perceived, whether it's a lack of confidence or whatever it is, all different ways that you can get over various problems and try and sell yourself really well and get the best job that you can and a job that suits you also. Yeah, I think it's been a really good day. We just said to the students that it might be one of those sessions that seems all right now, and you think, oh yeah, that was good. And then 6, 12 months down the line, maybe even longer, you get your workbook out, you can have another go at it, and you can see actually it was even more important and more interesting, and you perhaps even realise it in the first place.
And I want to say a massive thank you to Dr. Foley. Honestly, it's been the best day. Your students are amazing, and you know what? I really had a really fun day. And in the end, actually, we ran out of time. I wish we had longer, but it's been a fantastic day and a fantastic college. Amazing students. I want to wish every single one of you the very, very best. And yeah, I think we're done for today. But thank you again. Thank you.
Right, thank you.